You ready?
Yep.
All right. Here is the iLim Ultra Revolution, which is Touch Bionics' latest iteration of the multi-articulating hand. This device, it's only been out just a few months, is a multi-articulating myoelectric hand, which has 5 individual motors which power each digit and allows the end user or the client or the patient to multiply, basically, grab objects with using various prehension patterns and so forth. The device itself is powered via myocytes that are located inside the patient's socket, which is ultimately represented by this mag light here. And these little touch pads are representative of the electrodes that would be inside the patient's socket. The device actually has 24 different prehension patterns, and prehension patterns are like pinch patterns. For example, one would be here, so the patient could ultimately pick up small objects like M&Ms or paperclip or what have you, and to get out of the prehension pattern, they simply do another command. Oops. The device itself also has the ability to be connected to an app that could be downloaded onto your iPhone. So if I'm an end user, I can actually connect to my device with my iPhone, and I can pick different prehension patterns directly, straight from my phone. So this gives me the ability to get in and out of different prehension patterns by simply pressing a button on my phone. So this makes it a lot easier for the end user to be able to do different things. Okay. Yeah, so the device can be programmed for work, home, recreation, so the patient can just press a button, and the most common prehension patterns that they normally use would be uploaded quickly through Bluetooth right to their hand, and so they could just press a particular feature and be directly connected to it. And then they can also run a hand health check with their device and train on here as well. So, nice feature for the patients. Okay. The other thing too about this device is that it has the option with different wrist options. So we call this the ProFlex wrist. So the ProFlex wrist allows the patient to go into 30 degrees of flexion, 30 degrees of extension, or neutral by simply pressing this button here. So all it takes is a small tap. And we also have another wrist device, which is called a multi-flex wrist, which does pretty much the same thing, except it does ulnar and radial deviation as well. So, and that's that.
Awesome, thank you.